Hey everyone, today we are touring in the Arroyo Grand community in Casa Grand, and we'll be touring one of the builders, and that builder is Century Complete. And the home we will be touring today is the Mesa floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,543 square foot home, so stay tuned. Hey, what's going on everybody? Kamusta Kababards. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. If this is your first time checking out my channel, I go around the West Valley and also the East Valley, and I showcase all the brand new construction communities. I tour model homes as well as their move-in ready homes, guys, and I also do area tours as well, so you can see, exactly what that area looks like. So if you like what you see, guys, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all the brand new construction communities here in Arizona. And if you're planning to purchase, guys, I would absolutely love to be a part of your journey. I've helped numerous buyers find their home, and I would absolutely love to help you as well, okay? Today we are in Casa Grand, guys. And Casa Grand, if you don't know what Casa Grand is, I'll dive a little bit further more into detail towards the end of the home tour, okay? But in Casa Grand, we will be touring in the Arroyo Grand community, all right? And in the Arroyo Grand community, you have a few builders there. You have Scott Communities, you have Hillcrest Homes, and you will also have Century Complete, which we will be touring one of their move-in ready homes, okay? The move-in ready homes that we'll be touring today is the Mesa floor plan. The Mesa floor plan, guys, you're looking at about a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,543 square foot home. I really like this lot because 1, it has a generous sized backyard, and 2, there is no neighbors directly behind it, so you have more sense of privacy back there, okay? So stay tuned to the end of this video, guys, because we will talk about, the HOA, what does that cover, proximity to like your nearest grocery stores, accessibility to, the roads and also the interstates, okay? What is there to do around Casa Grand? Where is Casa Grand? So definitely stay tuned to the end of the video for all that information, okay? I went out there in Casa Grand, so when you see this home tour, guys, you will hear some wind feedback while I'm doing this home tour. I did not have my mic with me, so I do apologize, but you still could definitely hear everything that I'm saying, okay? So with that being said, guys, let's get this home tour started. Okay, guys, it's a little bit windy, so bear with me if it's a little bit, the sound is a little bit windy, but here is the Mesa floor plan. Really nice exterior here, guys, really love it. You have this desert landscaping that comes with the house, as all these houses comes with that front desert landscaping package, okay, which is very common. The back is usually the one that's bare, right? So you'll just have dirt in the backyard, and I'll show you when I get to the backyard, but very easy to maintain, guys. Obviously you see like little small flowers here, small bushes here and there, but this is how the front would look like even if you went with a home that's not move-in ready, okay, guys? So if you look down, there are some move-in ready homes just a little bit down the street there, guys. I believe one of them is actually going for $284 for a 3-bedroom home too, so stay tuned for that. We'll go over there and walk over there later. But again, here, this is the Mesa floor plan, okay, guys, lot number 44. Okay, let's walk inside here. Really love the tile rooftop there. That's really nice. You have this nice entryway here. Okay, going through the door. What's really nice too is that they provide this key code access doorknob. It's you have the option to with the key, just in case if the battery runs out on this bad boy. But really nice that they provide this. So we're in the foyer area right now, and just noticing the floor is LVP, okay? So luxury vinyl plate. What's nice about luxury vinyl plate, guys, one, I've used this in some of my flips. Because it is scratch resistant, it is water resistant, very easy to maintain, guys. There's no grout, as you can see, so really nice. And I love that more real wood style look. Okay, so that's LVP. So as soon as we get into the home, guys, if we take a left, all right, you have 2 bedrooms, one on this side, one on that side, and also your a full bath. Okay, so let's go in one of the bedrooms here. I would say this bedroom is about 10 by 11. Really nice lighting. I don't have the light turned on, so you can see all that natural light coming in, so that's really nice. Let's take a look at the walk-in or the closet here. So good sized closet. Okay, going to the full bath. Okay, single sink there and bathtub with a shower. Very nice. Here it is, a linen closet. And the other bedroom. This room has a walk-in closet, so that's really nice. Okay, walking out. Back in the foyer, now we are heading towards the kitchen and the living space. Here is a coat closet. Okay. And now we are here in the kitchen, living space, and like the eating area here. Okay, so walking into the kitchen, if you hang a right, you will walk into the laundry room. So here's the laundry room, hookups here, connection. Okay. Very spacious laundry room, as you can see, kind of goes in, so you could probably add in some maybe some more cabinets there for more storage. Okay, but more space on this side, so really good size laundry room. Here is the garage. Okay, 2-car garage here. Your water tank. Now, in some builders, they would have a water softener connection, but here in Century Complete, Century Communities, they don't have a water softener connection. Now, you can definitely hook up a water softener, and what a water softener does, guys, because the water here in Arizona is hard water, it is recommended to get a water softener, just because with the water softener, what it does, it just makes your, when you're taking a shower, it makes it feels better on your skin, feels better on your hair, so that's why water softeners are encouraged. Okay, so no water softener connect in there, but you could definitely very well get a quote for one, like my client did in Coolidge. Okay, so we are here in the kitchen. Nice big size peninsula there. Okay, very open kitchen as well. See the scaling from like the wall to the countertop there. It's not tight, right? So a lot of space for multiple people to be around here. So that's really nice. Okay, you have Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. Good size sink there. And you do have, there's no garbage disposal, but it is pre-wired for garbage disposal. White shaker cabinets. Here would be your refrigerator hookup, and if you notice, there's no cabinets above that, so you could definitely get a taller refrigerator. Here is a pantry. Good size pantry. And here's the view. So, if you're preparing your meals here, you still have that open interaction. You could still, you know, see what's on the TV, you know, with sports and basketball, all that good stuff. Okay, so here's the living area, and notice this overhang over the countertop here. So you could definitely put some bar stools right along the countertop here for additional seating. I would put the dining table right here. How would you guys lay this out? Leave the comment below. What do you think about this floor plan below so far? So here's where the TV Connect is, and so I'll put the TV right there on that wall, and you know, maybe have a sectional right alongside here, just like that. Very open though, very spacious, guys. A lot of natural lighting too. So here is the outside, and before we go out there, we'll go to the primary. So, you know, just to recap before we go in there, you have the 2 bedrooms on the opposite side of the house. Okay, so your primary is over here separated, so really good for privacy. A lot of natural lighting coming in here as well. 2 good size windows. Okay, heading towards the primary bath. So you have double vanity sinks there. That's really nice. Here's your walk-in closet. So you have some built-in shelving there. And a really good size closet to hang your clothes. Now notice that it sits higher, so you could probably put like a nice dresser down on the bottom too, so that, you know, for just additional clothes. Here is your stand-up shower and your throne. Okay. So again, guys, this is $304,990. Really good size house. Let's take a look outside. Okay, so you do have this nice covered patio area, okay, which runs the end of this house here. So that's really nice. You could put like another kind of seating area out here. Okay, so this is where, you know, the backyard is bare. Okay, so you could do as you please. Put garden beds, put turf. I had made a short on desert landscaping package, guys. A desert landscaping package, what that is it's just like the front, right? What I showed you in the beginning of the video. It's compromised of just rock, okay, small brushes, maybe some trees. You could add some turf, but that's what that desert landscaping is, okay. And the reason why I recommend that, because mosquitoes, they really like moisture, right? So if you have real grass, you know, that will just increase the amount of mosquitoes going around, and they're pretty aggressive here in Arizona. I am not gonna lie. I have real grass at my house and I get eaten up. But check this out, guys. No neighbors directly in back of you. Okay. Love that flag flying. I was in the Navy. But behind you, you have this nice walking path. Okay, a lot of green areas there. Green area as well. So you have this directly behind your house. So that is very attractive. Really good sized backyard. You have an access door just right there on the side of the house. And on this side is your AC unit. What I really love about this too is that, you know, there's no 2-story homes like next to you. They're all single level, so, you know, your neighbors won't be peeking down. Not saying, you know, a neighbor would be doing that, but it's just nice, kind of provides that more sense of privacy, right? So this is the backyard. You'll get this beautiful sunshine majority of the year. Really nice. Okay, going back inside the house. I hope you guys heard majority of what I said out there. I know it was kind of windy. Forgot to charge my mic. Okay, but that was pretty much it, guys. So that was a home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. So let's talk about the HOA. Okay, so the HOA, you're looking at about $95 a month, and what that covers is you have walking throughout the community, common areas as well, and also tot lots, so playgrounds for the little ones. Okay, as far as average lot size, you're looking just over 6,000 square foot lot size, guys. And as you can see in that backyard, really nice. You could definitely put some turf there, put some rocks there. That's what kind of that desert landscaping package looks like, and I highly recommend a desert landscaping, guys, just because it's just overall low maintenance. Okay, so let's talk about build out times. So Century Complete, they only release homes like in the middle stage of completion. Okay, so just like right around framing / drywall. And from framing and drywall, guys, you have about 3 to 4 months of completion left, so that's when they will release the lots. And Century Complete, guys, they are a spec builder. So if you're not familiar with that term, spec builder, with Century Complete, everything's already been predetermined for you. So that purchase price that you see online is the purchase price that you'll be purchasing the home. Okay, moving on. So let's talk about proximity. As far as your nearest grocery store, which is Fry's, and it's literally just minutes away. Arroyo Grand is more North Casa Grand, guys. Okay. And I'll put up a map so you can see exactly what I mean by that. As far as proximity to Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, you're looking at about a 40 to a 50-minute drive to the Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, and that goes alongside with actual Phoenix City itself. Okay, so if you want to catch a basketball game or a baseball game, or you just want to kind of check out the vibes there in Phoenix, you're looking at about the same distance. Okay, what's really nice about Casa Grand too is you're close to Chandler as well. So Chandler is a really nice area, and then right next to Chandler you have Gilbert, or if you want to go down south, right, you're only 40 minutes away from Tucson. So literally you're in the middle between two major cities, Phoenix and also Tucson, guys. So Casa Grand is a really great location. So Century Complete has a few models in this, has a few floor plans in this community, guys. I'll go ahead and I'll share with you guys right here on the screen what other floor plans that they have. They also have a sister company called Century Communities, and I will be releasing some other videos on that as well. There are some 4-bedroom options, and they also have a community with a 1/4 of an acre lot. So if you're interested in a more bigger lot, guys, definitely stay tuned for more videos that I'll be releasing in the near future. Okay, guys? So if you have any questions on this specific floor plan, definitely feel free to reach out to me. Some incentives that the builder or Century Complete has right now, you have $8,000 from the builder, plus you have another $3,000 from the preferred lender, which is Inspire Home Loans. Okay, so with that being said, guys, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about this, or if you have any questions on any other new construction communities here in Arizona. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.